Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we will be talking about the benefits of doing push-ups every day. Push-ups are widely recognized as one of the most effective exercises for muscle building. Many individuals embrace the challenge of completing 100 push-ups daily for 30 days, which has yielded remarkable results. In this video, I aim to address common questions surrounding the daily practice of push-ups and its impact on muscle development. I encourage you to watch the entire video, as it promises to be both informative and engaging. Let's embark on this journey together. First and foremost, let's discuss the targeted muscle groups that experience significant development through push-ups. Primarily, push-ups contribute to the enhancement of chest muscles. Countless testimonials on the internet attest to the remarkable improvements in pectoral appearance within a mere 30 days. Additionally, the deltoids, triceps, and biceps also witness notable progress. This may seem paradoxical since the triceps and biceps are typically considered antagonistic muscles. However, during push-ups, the triceps function to extend the arm at the elbow, which aligns with the effort exerted in this exercise. On the other hand, the biceps, which usually flex the arm at the elbow, assume a different role during push-ups. They aid in bringing the shoulder closer to the body. Thus, push-ups serve as a multi-joint basic exercise that effectively targets half of the upper body. Apart from the visible changes you will observe in the mirror, push-ups offer benefits in terms of endurance. Engaging in this exercise regularly will enhance your overall stamina, making it easier to endure other physical demands. Furthermore, your respiratory and cardiovascular systems will experience improvements. Engaging in push-ups also leads to an increase in endorphin levels, which contributes to a heightened sense of well-being. Let us explore the practicality of daily push-up routines. Is it advisable to exhaust yourself with push-ups until you can no longer continue every single day? For instance, if you have challenged yourself to perform 100 push-ups daily, but previously engaged in this exercise infrequently, is it suitable to divide your attempts into multiple sets, possibly exceeding 10? This approach would involve an excessive strain on your muscles and increase the release of catabolic hormones, hampering proper recovery. Push-ups are relatively intense exercises that can rapidly transition into anaerobic mode. Prolonged anaerobic stress on a specific muscle group places undue strain on it. Consequently, it is recommended to perform push-ups at a maximum intensity of 80% of your capability while adhering to a daily routine. This approach ensures that your muscles and cardiovascular system receive optimal conditioning. When considering daily push-ups, it is essential to regard them as a component of your morning workout routine, which presents numerous advantages. Regular practice will yield substantial gains in muscle tone and cardiovascular health, resulting in more muscular, firmer, stronger, and resilient arms, shoulders, and chest compared to individuals of the same age group. It promotes improved blood circulation, heart health, and respiratory function. Ultimately, engaging in push-ups contributes to your overall health and longevity. Now, let us delve into the correct technique for performing push-ups. It is crucial to maintain mindfulness regarding your pelvic position and body alignment. Your body should form a straight, flat line, without protruding buttocks or head. The 90-degree rule is also of utmost importance. As you lower yourself, ensure your arms form a 90-degree angle in relation to your body. Upon rising, extend your arms almost completely. Maintain a straight head posture and focus your gaze on the floor. Additionally, various push-up variations exist, such as performing them on your palms or fists. If you desire to intensify your workout, elevating your feet can increase the difficulty level. It is worth noting one more essential point: individuals who have attempted 100 daily push-ups often find it remarkably achievable to complete the set. However, the true challenge lies in performing 100 push-ups every single day. This psychological aspect should not be overlooked. If you have set a goal of accomplishing 100 push-ups daily, it is advisable to divide the total into smaller sets. For instance, you can perform 5 sets of 20 repetitions each. Avoid pushing yourself to failure with each set daily. If performing 100 push-ups in a single day proves challenging, it is perfectly acceptable to start with a smaller number, such as 20 push-ups divided into multiple sets. Over time, you can gradually increase the intensity and volume of your push-up routine. Remember that overtraining can be counterproductive. While the internet is filled with videos showcasing individuals completing 100 push-ups daily for 30 days and displaying impressive results, prioritizing proper training without overexertion is key to achieving long-lasting progress and maintaining your overall well-being. So, the question remains, is it worthwhile to engage in push-ups? The answer is a resounding yes. Push-ups offer numerous benefits for muscle development, endurance, cardiovascular health, and overall vitality. However, it is imperative to approach push-ups with wisdom and discretion, considering factors such as intensity, frequency, and proper form. By adhering to these principles, you can optimize the benefits derived from this exercise. By the way, I would love to hear about your own push-up capabilities. Please feel free to share in the comments section. I would genuinely love to hear your experiences. Additionally, I encourage you to explore other videos on my channel, as I cover a wide range of topics related to physical fitness and well-being. If you found this video valuable, please show your support by liking and subscribing to my channel. Until next time, take care and stay motivated.